Adjust your FSX for ONTAP SSD capacity distribution with Workload Factory. Amazon FSX for NetApp ONTAP has an underlying SSD storage pool. You can increase your storage pool as you grow and decrease it if your storage needs have reduced or if you over-provisioned. This gives you improved cost efficiency and agility and flexibility for workloads with dynamic requirements. Let's see an easy way to adjust your capacity with Workload Factory. In the Workload Factory console, go to Storage Inventory. Choose the file system you wish to adjust and click Manage. Go to Capacity Distribution and click on the pencil icon. In the pop-up window, set your provisioned capacity as needed. You can increase or decrease your provisioned capacity as many times and whenever needed, giving you full control and flexibility. Click Apply when ready. That's it, you're done. Sit back while Workload Factory adjusts your SSD storage capacity. Adjust your FSX for ONTAP SSD capacity distribution with Workload Factory.